keep it up, 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 keep it up. Welcome back to shopsthatconvert.com, the channel. In this video, you are going to get a quick walkthrough of how to schedule posts on Instagram with your products tagged in the posts. Just a fair warning, in this video, you will not see how to tag your products on scheduled Facebook posts. That is not a capability that you can do inside of Metricool at the time of recording this video. However, if you are like me, like my clients, growing your Facebook page itself, the business page, is not as much of a priority as growing your Instagram and getting conversions from your Instagram, whether that be traffic or purchases. Metricool is really an all-in-one platform and it has a ton of uses, as you can see over here on the left. Even with a free account, this feature is available. And also with a free account, you're able to see and monitor your analytics on all of these platforms. So let's go ahead and get into creating this post for Instagram. I'm going to go into planning. And I can go ahead and create a new post. Inserting the slide again, that was also at the beginning of the video. I just want to show you that the Meta Business Suite has some options for scheduling. However, I do find that the interface is not as good as Metricool. And with all of these analytics being in one place, I find that Metricool is a better option than scheduling in the Meta Business Suite. So this is the create a new post screen, and it's as easy as dragging your image into the post. So there's my image, and I know I'm creating an Instagram grid post because I've got this icon here, but you can see that you could post a reel or a story as well. So that's very handy and also works like a charm. So let's go ahead and tag. Here, I'm going to click the three dots and tag a product on Instagram. Keep in mind, you will have to have had your Facebook Commerce Manager connected and that set up in order to go ahead and tag the products, which of course means you will have to have connected the Facebook and Instagram sales channel in your Shopify store. So all I did was click the tag to add the product, and I can add my physical product right here, and I'll move the dot to where I want it. I will click save. At the time of this recording, you're not able to tag digital products, even though your digital product will show up. And I could move it over here. If you were to publish this, your tag will not show up. So I'm going to go ahead and X that. Okay, so I've tagged the product, and at this point I can close it. And then we will see that we have a tag happening here. You can double check, make sure it's still there, and it's still there. Okay, I'm going to add my hashtags, and it's actually pulling up hashtags that I've used previously. So I put my hashtags there. So now that everything is synced up here, I could go ahead and cross post to Facebook. And if I wanted to do that at this point, I might not want hashtags on here. So I would edit by network, go over to Facebook and edit the Facebook specific content. Doing that, I would take out the hashtags. And a really cool feature at this point would be to add a first comment. So because this is a Facebook post, I could actually put a link, a URL right here in the first comment, which I will do. So I'll put that in my Facebook post and I'll accept. So now I want to change this. So now this call to action matches Facebook. This call to action matches Instagram, and it has my Instagram hashtags. And so these two posts are separate. You can also see what this will look like in both of these platforms. And you can get a grid preview as well. I like that. And then I can see my first comment is here for Facebook. I've gone ahead and tagged my product. I've used the first comment feature here, and I'm going to go ahead and schedule. So what I will do is come to this white box, and I will find the day and choose a time to schedule my post down to the minute. And I've got 9 a.m. Eastern. That looks great. So once I click schedule, it looks like this. it will say it's loading. And then here you can see on your calendar that that has been scheduled. So now what you'll see is on your Instagram, you will get a shoppable taggable post, which means the tag will show up on your post directly in Instagram. And when somebody taps the product, they will be shifted over into your shop directly. For Facebook at this time, you'll have to manually go back in and tag that product. Once again, using Metricool is a really great tool for analytics and my favorite tool for scheduling posts. If this video was helpful for you, I would love for you to use the like button, subscribe if you have a Shopify store, and let me know in the comments, are you using Metricool? Are you using Meta Business Suite? And I will see you in the next video.